Imagine making $100 a day using just your phone or laptop, without a boss, without deadlines, and without even showing your face. In today's video, I'll show you 5 AI tools that real people are using right now to make passive income online. These are not just trending, they're the future of smart online hustle. Let's begin. ChatGPT isn't just for chatting, it's your ultimate writing assistant. People are offering blog writing, email writing, and copywriting services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork using ChatGPT. Lightbulb example: write a 1,000-word blog using ChatGPT in 5 minutes and charge $30 to $50 per article. Do this 2 to 3 times daily, and boom, you're at $100 per day. Don't want to show your face on YouTube? No problem. Pictory turns your script into videos with stock footage, background music, and voiceover. Lightbulb example: create a motivational or AI tools video daily and post on YouTube. With monetization, affiliate links, and digital product promotion, this becomes a money machine. Canva's new AI tools let you create stunning logos, social media posts, and ebooks in seconds. Lightbulb example: create Etsy printables or ebook covers, then sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. Combine this with AI copy, and you've got a passive income stream. Want to sell voiceovers in different accents without recording your voice? ElevenLabs lets you do that. You can turn any text into a human-sounding. Lightbulb example: offer podcast intros, audiobook narration, or YouTube voiceovers on freelancing site. Charge $25 to $50 per project easily. Notion AI helps you build structured planners, business systems, or even content calendars. Lightbulb example: create a content planner for YouTubers, then sell it for $5 to $20. You make it once and sell it unlimited time. Use affiliate marketing. Promote these tools with affiliate links. When someone signs up, you earn recurring income even while sleeping. Thousands of creators